In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Monday.com with Google Calendar. If you're looking to streamline your workflow and keep everything organized, this integration is a great way to ensure that your tasks and events are seamlessly connected. Let's get started. First, open up your browser and navigate to Monday.com. It's important to ensure that you're signed into your account. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. This can make it easier as you move through the steps. Now locate and click on the Board tab. This is where all your projects and tasks are organized. Boards are essentially the backbone of your Monday.com experience, so it's crucial to know where to find them. After clicking on a board, you'll want to find the Integrate button. This is where the magic of integrations happens. The Integrate button is usually in a tab towards the top of your board view, so make sure to keep an eye on that area. At this point, you'll see a search bar. Go ahead and type in Google Calendar. This will filter the available integrations to specifically what we're looking for. It's always helpful to use the search function to quickly navigate through what you need without having to manually scroll through a list. Once Google Calendar appears in the search results, click on it. You'll be presented with different templates for integration. These templates are essentially preset configurations that make the integration process quicker. Browse through the templates available to find the one that best meets your needs. For example, there might be templates for syncing events, managing deadlines, or coordinating team meetings. Once you've selected a suitable template, you'll need to click on Use Template. This action sets up your Monday.com board to align with your Google Calendar setup. This step is crucial as it ensures the template is applied to your selected board, ready for connecting with Google Calendar. After setting up the template, you should see an option to connect the integration. Go ahead and click on Connect. You might be prompted to sign into your Google account if you aren't already. This secure step ensures that only you can access the calendar you'll be integrating. The integration should now be complete. With this, you can synchronize tasks and deadlines from Monday.com with Google Calendar, allowing you to see all the important events in one place. Remember, integrating these two platforms can greatly improve your productivity and ensure that you're always on top of your tasks. Thank you for watching today's video, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.